Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and today we are going to do a potato reveal because we have some plants that are going bad. As you can see, they're all yellow, and the reason that we're going to do this is because if I had to do all these potatoes at the last minute and clean up all my gardens, I wouldn't have time. So as they begin to die off, I will be doing these reveals. So I'm going to get started here, and we're going to cut this one off and see what's in it. I know there's potatoes on the top, but I'm not sure of what is in it or how large they're going to be. Some of the ones on top are small, I know. I know people say that you should really wait until they've died off, but obviously in Alaska we cannot do that. So let's go. This thing is heavy, cracking. There they are. You can see them on top. There they come. Looks like I'm going to have to dig them out a little bit. Looking nice though. They're not bad potatoes. They're not huge, but that's fine. You can make mashed potatoes out of them. You can boil them, butter them, parsley them, or make home potatoes, home fries. Look at all those spuds. Wow, really awesome. They're just falling right off. Holy mackerel. I would have never realized that there were that many in there. I would probably guess this is probably going to be one of the half potatoes, but I can't say for sure until I get in there. Nice potatoes. Lots of them too. There's some more there too. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that that is a half potato, because if there were a whole potato, there would be much more there, or be very mushy. At least that's what I've found in the past. Dig around a little bit and see if there's any more. And I've got my scale over to the side. Now I'm going to dig around, get my bag, start filling it up. Don't mind the dogs. Okay, the bag is almost finished. I'm going to tie it up now, and I'm going to put it onto the scale, and we'll see what we got. Oop, falling all over the place. It was tared out at 0. And we have 3 pounds and 7/16, which is 1/16 short of 3.5 pounds. That is pretty awesome for a half of a potato. You can't beat that. Now we'll go and get the other one. And this one you can see in the middle is totally dying. It's been this way for days. No matter how much water I gave it, no matter what I did, the center has been dead. All the leaves are just wilted. And I think it's because probably potatoes suck the energy out of it. So we'll see what we got in this one. Alrighty, more potatoes on top. Let's see if we can get this out. Heavy. Ugh. Yeah, it's heavy. I just watered them last night, so it's pretty wet. Been having a lot of trouble with water and whatnot. Here's some. Either it's too rainy or it's too dry or it's... Here it comes. Wow, it's stuck, of course. Potatoes flying everywhere. Gotta get that thing over there. Okie doke, now I can get it out. Ah. There are a lot of potatoes there. Holy moly. Sweet. I would never have expected this many potatoes, really. I think the most I got was on the chitted potato skin, which was about 3 pounds, I think, from last year. But this is great. This is just awesome. One thing I made sure I did this year too is I left 2 chits on and I pulled all the rest off. So look at these potatoes. But anyway, as I was saying, whatever they made themselves, sent up. Look at these potatoes. Holy moly. Oh, I know I keep saying that. Sorry about that. Let's see. I think this is probably a half a potato also. Got a bunch of little ones, but my dogs don't eat them. And no, I see no whole potato. Because I know when I usually get a whole potato, it's mushy. But there, it looks like a half a potato also. So, go through this a little bit more, just to make sure. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to get a bag now. All right, come on, bag, open up. And one thing I did with these potatoes to make sure that they didn't have any scab was I added some peat moss, which someone, I don't remember who I watched, said they used to help prevent scab, along, of course, with your calcium, which is your bone meal. And all I put in these was blood and bone meal, and then later on I put in some potato fertilizer. Look at that bag. And this one has just a 1/16 of an inch over 3.5. So out of 2 bags or 2 potatoes, I've gotten 7 pounds of potatoes. You can't beat that. You just cannot beat that. I mean, it's just incredible. So that's about it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed the content. I know there's going to be more reveals. I hope you will give me a like, a comment, a subscription. Don't forget to ring that bell, and don't forget, I love you. I like you. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye now.